Hi, this is Otis from Premier Truck Group, Select Trucks of Kansas City, and this is a 2023 Cascadia. It has a DD15, 455 horsepower. This truck has 294,000 miles. The body is in excellent condition. It's got an air slide fifth wheel. It has a DC climate, battery powered APU. It has disc brakes. And is very clean. Safety blind zone alert. The body is in excellent condition. Has good Bridgestone steer tires. Two hood mirrors. Let's look inside. Seats are in very good condition. Truck smells good. Looks good. New mattress. 2 bunks. Dash is in excellent condition. Floorboard is in excellent condition. Suspension dump valve, air slide fifth, interaxle diff lock. $294,167 miles. My name is Otis at Premier Truck Group, Select Trucks of Kansas City. Please let me know if you need this or any of our trucks.